Oh, it don't matter, does it?
I don't think so. Well, we'll see when you get out there. Yeah, you kind of can't see you.
Alright, get a light. He should have fixed that already.
I know, right?
Keep it in the kitchen. You know what I mean?
No, you ain't gonna do it in the kitchen.
Yeah, I know.
And you gotta follow me to the dark room, Fag?
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Stop, man! Wait, who's...
Oh, then you put it on the bend over while I got this out there. Come here. Just shove this.
What, the drunk person? I'm not doing
Woo!
highly not intoxicated. Wow!
Oh, let me make sure it's off so you don't...
Oh.
Yeah, it's off.
Alright.
He's like, don't turn that on because, you know, there's live wires up here.
Oh, my God! Oh, shit. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, I felt something. Alright, good. I'm gonna step away in case it, like, explodes, though. Alright. Alright, here we go. This is what it's called. Shotgun of beer. Gotta get it ready. Motherfuckers.
I thought you had to just, yeah.
Oh, no. I didn't want to do that. It's very fucking cold.
Did you drink the whole thing?
Almost.
What a pussy. Now smash it on your head.
No, fuck that.
Come on.
I've done that before. It hurts.
No, it don't. Just do it.
I'm not drunk enough, dude. Trust me. I've done it before, but...
Not like that. You do it on your forehead.
No, fuck that shit.
Why?
It hurts.
Well, do it from the... What?
You think I'm gonna go into work with a fucking big ring on my forehead? Oh, you got beer all over the place. Alright, so that's that.
Well, smash it on the side then, at least. Do something. The side ain't gonna hurt. I'll do the side.
No, you won't.
Oh, you're gonna do it like that? No, I mean hold it on the side.
Oh, side.
Yeah, at least do it like that.
Ow!
Really?
No.
Wow.
Alright, kind of fresh.
What a loser, right?
I don't party anymore, man.
I like rock star. Like,
Seriously, I used to be able to do it pretty well. That's why they where they get the Bruno Smash from. Bruno Smash, and I feel like Bruno Smash.
Dude, you got a screwdriver in your hand. Oh, the knife! Oh, shit! Oh, that would have been fucked up if you stuck it. Oh, my God.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
You would have been like, stop. You would have been like, well, oh, shit.
So, let's see if I can actually chug a beer without it.
Well, yeah, I'm sure.
Ah, man, I got like 3 left after this one. Oh, they are blue. So, they're a little bit bluish. So that means these motherfuckers are cold as the Rockies. They're blue. So they're very, very cold. Interesting. But my heart grows. I don't know, man. Fucking smells like beer.
chug, 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 chug. Ah! How much is left, too? He got to right there, people.
Man, it's right here. Where the silver bullet is. It's fucking cold, man.
Got this.
Oh, yeah. I've already had like 4 fucking beers. This guy is fresh.
They don't make any excuse.
That's why he's getting the finger up. Oh, damn. Can't get, where's the finger at? Where's my finger? There it is. Fuck you, bitch. Anyways, there it goes.
Alright, you ready?
We'll do this. Chug. It's cold, man, I'm telling you. My teeth started like... Oh. Whoa! Hey, I'm cold as fuck. Don't puke.
Okay, you're right, it's cold.
I say when the shit's blue, it's as cold as the Rockies, and I'm pretty sure it's like negative something. I don't know about right now, but anyway, that guy. Oh, mother of God!
That's how a real man does it, bitch.
Man, fuck that shit.
I know, right? I'm sober and I did that.
Anyways, this guy outdid me. Look at that bald head.
Yeah. The guy that drinks like 4 beers a year.
Hey, I drink like 4 beers a year myself. And they're all in one night.
You know how I realize I do it? I'll sit there and I'll start drinking like a lot, and then I'll swallow.
Wow.
I know. But no, you swallow the beer. Then you sit there and let it fill up a little, and you do a little swallow. You just keep doing it, but you don't do it so much that it hurts. You know what I mean?
Alright.
Wow. Woo! I can't believe I crushed it that good, at least. Alright, you about ready to watch this? I'll go ahead and log out of this thing.
Oh, shit, dude.
What? Oh. I think that's it. What? Oh.